What's up guys, this is Kaushik Krishnan and welcome to my YouTube channel. I and my wife just returned from our trip to the beautiful state of Vermont for the Labor Day weekend. Our first stop in the trip was at the southern town of Manchester, which is tucked in the gorgeous Green Mountains. Let's jump right in and take a look at what we did there. Hey, but first, let's roll the intro. After spending some time at the lake, we decided to spend the rest of the evening exploring the town of Manchester. We checked out some local shops, restaurants, and enjoyed some maple creamy. Yep, that's a thing in Vermont. The next morning, we decided to drive to the top of Mt.Equinox via the scenic Skyline Drive. The drive to the top took us approximately 25 minutes and the views were absolutely breathtaking.
Far away, you and I, in your arms, under the stars of the midnight sky. We were free. Feel the waves in the dark, getting lost, but the light of the moon whispers where you are. We were young. I wish you could take me back. I just feel like I keep seeing your face, and now I can't stop wondering if you saw mine. Did you feel the same?
After that, we started driving up north towards Stowe, where we planned on spending the rest of our time in Vermont. We started day 3 driving through Smugglers Notch towards the Lamoille River. The notch separates Mt.Masfield, which is the highest peak in Vermont, from Spruce Peak.